Here's the unboxing of Modern Warfare 3 Call of Duty, the 6th edition on the PS3 console. It's my game. Surprisingly, I didn't buy no Hardened Edition or Elite. This box is just a display from the store. I actually won a t-shirt tonight and lost it. Well, dropped it in the 7-Eleven and didn't even realize it until I got halfway home. Who was going to turn around at that point? Not me. Very basic. This is the most basic release night game I've ever purchased. Well, let's get ready to begin. Anybody want to read me online is Cyril PS3. CYRAL. Alright.